Hello and welcome back, everybody, to the next episode. I had to go when Zach's episode ended, and when I came back, he just made all this beautiful stuff right here. So he like reinforced it so the shark can't get it, and like those nets. Yeah, I came back and everything was done, but it looks really nice. Oh, and also you may have seen it. We are on the next island. On I think it's the Story Island, and it's like a big, big yacht. And I think we maybe gonna switch from our shitty but also beautiful Raft to this new one. Maybe, hopefully. I want the yacht. It looks so good. Okay, we're gonna wait for Zach, and then we're gonna go and explore it. Yay!
Hello, hello.
Oh, who's
Here
there?
I am.
I'm already getting all the wood real quick, so we don't have to do it later. But there were actually just 2 trees.
Mm.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming back. I'm putting away all the stuff, and then we can go explore.
You excited?
Yes, I am. I'm really excited, actually. But also kind of scared.
Mm. That's good.
That's good? Oh no. Are you saying that's good? I don't think that's good.
It
Okay,
is.
let's go.
So,
Oh
do you
wait.
have a spear?
Yes, I crafted a new one. God
Alright.
damn it. Oh my god.
So,
Wait, I have to take some water with me. Okay,
yeah.
ready to go.
Wait. By the way,
Hmm.
we need to craft us some bottle.
Yeah, that's a good idea. But let's go first, oder? Oh, wait, what does a bottle cost?
Oh, Alter.
Bottle, plastic and wine good. I mean, I can already do some wine good while we are gone.
Yeah.
Oh, we actually have some, but not enough. Okay.
Let's go.
Ready to rumble. Where are
Ready
you?
to rumble.
Did you already go in? Oh!
No, I'm.
Oh, I got scared. Have to enter from
Yes,
the
no.
bag, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I was talking that we maybe take the big boat, but I already see it's not gonna be possible.
Nope.
Oh, are there enemies here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so that's why we needed the headlamp. Okay. Oh,
Oh, note.
oh, I have a crowbar.
Good.
Only hope you come to your senses and follow us.
Recorder.
I knew the city was a failure, Ruben. Why do you always have to be so stubborn?
Use one crowbar. Oh. Should I use the crowbar on the door?
Yeah.
Oh, magic. Oh! Ah! What the fuck? Oh my god, I got so scared. What the fuck?
Bro, so much plastic in. Oh my god, I got a coconut chicken and vegetable soup. This was correct.
You make those recipes sound so special, but like... Oh! You need a
No,
bolt cutter. Do you have a bolt
see,
cutter?
yeah, no, I don't. Wait, what do you want? This one or this one?
Oh, you got the soup. Oh no, the other one. Yes, this one. This one. That looks really
Okay.
yummy. Are
Yeah,
we eating it right away?
yeah.
Okay, wait.
I mean, I will.
I just need to sort my inventory a bit. Yeah, okay. I'm also gonna eat it.
Blue key.
Blue key. Oh.
Oh, the toilet.
Oh, my favorite
I
place.
got a
Oh,
red
red
key.
key. Ah, okay. Oh, we definitely need a bolt cutter. I want to know what's in there.
Hmm.
Oh, what the fuck? Holy shit.
Ruben,
Oh,
the yacht is ill-prepared for this journey.
I have a gas tank.
Space for a dance floor, but no space for supplies.
Oh, so much plastic. Yes,
You're
yes.
bar. As
I got a red key.
I thought Olaf would
Let's
at the very least
take
be
it.
practical.
Wait, we have to...
Oh my god.
Oh, mechanical part.
I'm sorry.
Look what we got here.
Holy shit.
Everything's glowing.
Left.
Oh, I have a bolt cutter and a note.
Large rat last night.
Oh.
5 mechanical parts.
I tried telling the crew we obviously
Only
had to
requires.
take down the lockdown supplies. They laughed at
Ah.
me.
Gas tank. Bullet.
I miss you, Ruben.
Oh, I heard something.
Yeah, but not in this.
But wait,
room.
we can open the... Wait, where was it?
The-
I think it was back here,
On
right?
this. No,
not here.
no. Back there.
Yeah,
Ready.
yeah.
We got a blue key and a note.
If he does it again, you will be reprimanded.
Hey!
The crew doesn't listen to orders. I'm shocked by their undisciplined nature.
Okay, which way first?
They believe
Let's go this way.
disappeared with solid land. No, they will not
Oh, wait.
be allowed to mingle
Bullet!
as if suspected.
Bro, you have to wait with the notes. Otherwise it skips to... Oh, I got a mechanical part.
But, yeah, sorry, but we also can read. But, yeah, sorry,
Oh,
my
more
bad.
mechanical parts?
If they could bring me one
Just
of
a
these
can.
ridiculous lurkers alive. Of course, the food shortage.
Why does he sound so mean?
Tonight
I don't know.
we're discussing which staff
Whee!
members are most suitable for termination.
Oh, I don't like Olaf. He sounds so mean. Doors locked from the inside.
Are you?
I'm on the front.
Oh, I'm back in the
Oh wait, I'm
in the
coming.
part. Okay, I'm waiting for you.
I thought we're going this way first. There's a mechanical part.
So many sounds.
It's so weird.
I'm a bit scared of it,
Where are
to
you?
be honest. I'm
Oh.
here.
Yeah, I'm here.
This is really creepy.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Plastic.
There's nothing back here.
Nope. Oh. I can't go inside that. I got a note.
You can't
Hmm.
just fire them. We're out at sea.
Hanna, you were brought to keep the engines running. That is what you...
What the
That's
fuck?
one of those damn rats. What are
Oh!
you doing to it?
Get out! Do your job.
Oh. Digit code. Okay.
Good to know. Oh,
Oh.
more materials.
Anything else? No.
Nope.
Okay. Can't open this door, can't open that door. There is nothing.
Let's
Okay.
get up here. Oh,
Oh,
and a thread.
my nose is scribbling.
You okay?
Yes, just looking what's here, but there's nothing.
Yeah.
Well,
You also can go this way, by the way.
Oh.
But okay. Let's check everything. Keycard.
Key card, okay. Oh wait, I already was there, there's nothing.
Really?
Yeah, you can look again if you want, but I didn't find anything. I have a note and digit code.
These
Yes. Awesome. Will you go back to the...
Yes, yes,
Um,
yes. Oh, I got a smoothie.
Nice. Oh, wait. Can you open the door, please?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
as incentives, I can discipline them.
Thank you.
Sharing their blood, reputations
Bro, what is wrong with Olaf?
I don't know. Oh, we got a cactus. Yes.
I received a
I like
transmission
cactus.
from a place called Caravan Town.
Was it here?
Active and
No.
population. No longer do I need this.
I got the key card.
Oh, that's nice.
Create true soldiers.
Wait, where was that?
Loyal soldiers.
Oh god, there's another rat.
Oh, I found the thing again. Oh! Bro, are they respawning?
No. I don't know.
There was one in the room where the... okay, wait, I got electrical wires and note.
It's urgent. There's mist now.
I got the green key.
How far the water's risen. The maps are useless. We need to... The crew are planning a mutiny, Captain. It is time to act. Mutiny.
Where are you? How did you get up there?
Alive! Are you mad?
Wait.
I gave you a chance to
Right
live.
here.
Now we
Yes.
have to protect ourselves from the masses. We
Bro, what is wrong with Olaf? I don't like him.
I mean, like, free meat.
From the rats? Yeah, that's good. Maybe if they
They
really
already got-
respawn, we can, like, farm them.
Let's build a farm.
Okay,
out
but
of
there's nothing here, right? Oh, wait, we
it.
can go
Oh,
outside.
see. Look at that.
What is there?
We need the car jack for this door, for this big
Ah, okay.
thing.
Yeah, let's go here and then we can go look if we have enough to build it. We got...
Probably we got enough. Wait. Where are we going? No,
I
no,
was
let's...
just looking here. We have to go back down.
Okay.
And
Huh, I can see you. But I'm faster than you. Hehe.
sorry, I had to fight a rat.
No, no problem.
Um. Ah, this way.
You know the way?
I think so. Um,
Wait, do we have the lighter?
lighter. Wait, I'm coming. I just need to find the way.
No, we only need the lighter.
Oh, back there.
We only need lighter, and then we can craft whatever this is.
Lighter. There's a rat outside somewhere.
Yep. Let's look
But
for
we have the thing where we can lift it, right?
yeah, car check. Yeah,
So
yeah,
it's
we got the car
probably
check.
back there.
Yep. I don't
No, no,
know
no. This way, this
where we
way.
should go. Here, right here, right here, right here.
Ah, yeah, there.
Oh, wait. What was in the treasure? In the
Uh,
small...
Wires and wires and a note. They don't really do
Oh.
much damage.
No, luckily. Und
Wait.
boom. No sound? Really?
Huh. Okay, we have a crate. Oh,
Oh my god.
uh,
I also got a crate.
wait, my inventory is full.
And a note.
Wait, let me eat those two.
See, I got this cocktail. Melon.
Mm.
Watermelon. And I got strawberry colada.
Oh, and I have this one.
Receipt. Oh no, don't drink this one.
Why? Leftovers. Oh, yeah, okay. Never mind.
According to former General Olaf Wilkstrom's latest statement on the issue, we are fully aware of the strain this puts on our people. Nevertheless, our options are becoming increasingly limited. We must pull through this together, or join Stockholm beneath the waves.
Wait, but
Wilkstrom refused to comment on the rumors regarding the
where is...
modification of his personal yacht.
We
When
need to
further
find a
outcomes
lighter.
of City Project's whistleblowers, Olaf Wilkstrom chose to terminate the interview. Reaching out to these
Biofuel?
anonymous sources, we were able to further corroborate his story.
Where are you?
back? And
Oh, you got back down. Okay.
yeah.
Coming. I think I'm gonna go to the raft rig. Oh,
You really want to lift me back on the raft?
why? Can I come back? Where are you going? Here's the
Oh,
door
wait,
with
wait,
the
wait.
green key.
I know.
I found it.
Oh, really?
Oh, it looks so scary.
Wait, open the door.
I
Then-
already opened it.
Is there the lighter?
I'm looking. Give me a
Please tell
second.
me there's the lighter.
Yeah, I have the lighter and a
Oh my
note.
god.
What the fuck?
What was that?
From the note.
Okay, I crafted the bomb.
To the lifeboat! Hurry!
Roloff, you coward!
Note.
Watch out!
Whoa.
Okay. I didn't like the sound of that.
Not at all. Oh my god! Bro! It's night and I just got jump scared by a rat. I can see like 1.5 meters.
Hmm,
Wait, where are you?
there's a big tub. Okay, then I guess we just have to go the stairs up further. Oh, use one bomb. The bomb is required at the top here.
Oh, you up already?
Wait, where are
Oh,
you?
there you are. Yeah, okay, I can
Yeah,
see.
here, this way, this way.
Okay, but watch out.
You ready?
Get a bit, yeah, get a bit of
Uh-oh.
distance.
We
Oh, I got a trophy. Oh, so much.
strawberry
Oh!
cola.
Blueprint engine!
Oh, blueprint steering wheel.
Oh
Right,
my
I
God.
have no space. You have to take it. Oh wait, actually,
We already got it, but...
no. Here's the steering wheel.
Oh,
I mean that.
there's a note. There's a note. Ah,
Anything
for our
else?
next island. Bro, I really want to craft the engine.
What is that? Leftovers. No, thank you. No, I want to. Ah. I wanted the strawberry colada. Oh, it looks.
So-
Oh wait, hey, you didn't loot the crate. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, I don't have any more space.
Decoration. And we got... Wait.
A table, a flag.
Flag. It's the second flag.
Well, it was a quick run.
No, not this side. Not this side.
Are we done?
Yeah, we're done. We got everything we need and want, and now we
That
are
was-
going to... Oh, there's another part of...
Ooh. But what do we need the mechanical
I don't
parts
know.
for?
Actually, I
Did we
don't
miss
know.
anything?
We got a recorder and mechanical part.
Wait, do we have the mechanical parts in my inventory? No.
Yeah, press T.
Oh. But what do we need to do?
Oh, the
with-
shark, the shark.
I was already.
Bro, the shark ate just like one part of our raft. What a nice shark. Yeah,
Okay,
so
wait. Let me put all the meat on the. No. Bro.
actually we can throw away the blueprints because we already...
Oh, this
Learn.
one too? The steering wheel? Do we not need to put it in the?
No, we already got
Okay.
everything for it. But wait,
Um,
I have to check where we gonna craft them first.
Do we already have this one?
Wait, bro, wait. Ah, oh my god. Yeah, wait, we have to check our... What is it called? What is it called?
Oh, you see, we
Oh.
had to put it in there.
No, we don't have to. We just have to learn it. I mean, the blueprint, we
Oh, okay.
already knew the blueprint. Okay, wait. See what I got. Let's take it. Up there.
We have some biofuel. I don't know if that's useful.
Biofuel?
In the chest, wait.
By the way, we got 3 cubes out of the machine.
Okay. Where did you put the wine good? Ah, right here.
Yeah, I got it in my inventory. I put it in the chest here.
Okay, have one bottle. Just need
Already.
to make one more. Need some more seaweed. Okay, then I can throw the cup away, right? Or do we need it to refill?
Yeah, actually, you can throw it away. Okay, probably I shouldn't throw mine away because I don't have anything. No.
I can give you mine.
No, no, I'm good, I'm good. I only need
Yeah, you
those
just
two
need to. Yeah, they're
binders.
already in the smelter. Just have to wait a bit.
Yes.
Wait, do we want to like search the bottom for good stuff too?
Actually, we don't need to.
No? You sure?
No, we don't. Yeah, we don't
But here's
need to.
sand and all.
Yeah, yeah, okay. If you want, you
And this
can.
blue algae thing.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah, okay. Let's check quick everything. How long is
Yeah,
the?
we're ending it now. Just
Okay,
give me a
okay, okay.
second. I wanted to look if there's more.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Coming back.
Oh,
Hmm? Okay.
well.
What?
All right. You ready?
1 second. I want to clean up my inventory.
And I will get up there to put all of my. No, I mean, like, I will set the coordinates.
Okay, but wait. Let us do the outro first.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the episode. And the big yacht. Bro, you're not even standing near me. So,
Sorry,
see ya
sorry.
next
See
time.
ya.
Ja.